Print, publish, and ship your books with Kitab Lane. We automate your book printing and shipping so you don't have to manage the process. There is no minimum order quantity, so you can print any number of books with us. We also handle packing and order fulfillment for Amazon, Flipkart, and other online book sales channels. For complete details or to contact us, visit our website kitablane.com.